Rate it.
Alam mo, naiintindihan.
Welcome back to another mini vlog. Samahan niyo ang Matt Gio na manood ng sine.
Hala, ang cute! Welcome! Dapat ako nag-worry. Bakit? Hindi, okay lang.
Flavor ng popcorn, madam. Cheese, barbecue, sour cream, and also we have butter.
Barbecue po. Barbecue, thank you. Butter, thank you. Uy, ba't parang tayo lang?
Life in prison.
Rate it.
Alam mo, naiintindihan. 5/10.
5/10 lang. 7. Puro kabastusan. Si Arbery. Kanya-kanyang paganda.
Ay, mag-picture muna tayo dun.
Fit check.
Ay, dun ba yan? Ano pala?
Got this shirt from Mama Mama.
Knock, knock, bless.
Yes. Done watching.